Are you looking for ways to grow your wealth through real estate? Wondering how to make smart property investments that'll yield profits no matter the market conditions? Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, there are plenty of ways to build wealth with property. Real estate offers more than just income. It's a proven path to financial growth, even when the market fluctuates. In this video, we'll uncover 5 genius strategies that will help you harness the power of property to build lasting wealth. Let's jump right in. 1. Invest in private equity funds. One of the most powerful ways to grow your wealth through real estate is by investing in private equity funds. These funds pool together money from multiple investors to buy, manage, and develop commercial properties. You get the benefit of expert management without having to deal with the day-to-day operations. Private equity funds typically offer several types of investments: core, core plus, value add, and opportunistic. Core, core plus investments are low-risk, income-producing properties, ideal for conservative investors. Value-add investments focus on renovating properties to increase value, offering higher potential returns but also more risk. Opportunistic investments involve ground-up developments or major redevelopments, offering the highest returns and risks. These funds give you access to high-quality real estate projects and help diversify your investment portfolio, making them an excellent choice for both experienced and new investors. 2. Invest in qualified opportunity zones, OZs. If you're looking to reduce your tax burden while investing in real estate, qualified opportunity zones, OZs, are worth considering. Created by the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017, OZs encourage investment in economically distressed areas by offering significant tax benefits. When you invest in a property within an ounce, you can defer taxes on your initial gain until 2026, and if you hold your investment for at least 10 years, you may pay no tax on the appreciation of the property. This makes it an attractive long-term investment strategy. These zones typically focus on higher-risk developments in underserved communities, but with proper research, they can offer strong returns, making it a solid option for investors looking for both tax savings and the potential for substantial property value growth. 3. Invest in real estate investment trusts, REITs. For those who want to invest in real estate without owning property directly, real estate investment trusts, REITs, are a great option. A REIT is a company that owns, operates, or finances income-generating properties. Investing in a REIT allows you to buy shares of these properties and receive dividends from the income they generate. REITs come in 2 forms: publicly traded REITs and non-traded REITs. Publicly traded REITs are highly liquid, meaning you can buy and sell shares on the stock market easily. Non-traded REITs, while less liquid, often offer higher dividends and a more stable value because their price reflects the underlying property values rather than stock market fluctuations. REITs are a good way to earn passive income, especially for those looking to diversify their portfolio without the responsibility of managing properties. Whether you're interested in residential, commercial, or industrial real estate, REITs can provide exposure to various sectors of the market. 4. Complete a 1031 exchange. A 1031 exchange is one of the most powerful tools available for real estate investors. This strategy allows you to sell a property and reinvest the proceeds into a like-kind property, deferring the payment of capital gains taxes. This can be a huge benefit for investors looking to grow their portfolios without the burden of paying taxes on every sale. The 1031 exchange can only be used for investment properties, and the new property you buy must be of equal or greater value than the one you sell. This allows you to continually defer taxes and build your wealth as your properties appreciate over time. It's an excellent strategy for those in higher tax brackets who want to grow their real estate portfolio while minimizing their tax liabilities. While a 1031 exchange requires careful planning and adherence to deadlines, it can be one of the most effective strategies for building wealth in real estate. 5. Real estate syndications. Another way to build wealth through real estate is by investing in real estate syndications. A real estate syndicate pools money from multiple investors to purchase larger, often more profitable properties, such as apartment complexes or commercial buildings. As an investor, you're a limited partner, LP, in the syndicate. You contribute capital but are not involved in the management of the property. In return, you receive a share of the rental income and any profits when the property is sold. Syndications allow you to invest in larger properties that may be out of reach on your own, providing an opportunity for higher returns. While you still share in the risk, syndications offer a way to diversify your real estate investments and passively earn income from larger-scale projects. This method is ideal for those looking for a relatively hands-off investment in high-quality properties. There you have it, 5 genius ways to build wealth through property, no matter what the market looks like. From private equity funds and qualified opportunity zones to REITs, 1031 exchanges, and real estate syndications, these strategies offer a range of opportunities for both seasoned and new investors. Real estate remains one of the most reliable ways to grow your wealth, providing both passive income and the potential for substantial long-term appreciation. Each of these strategies has its own set of risks and rewards, so it's important to choose the one that aligns with your investment goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. With the right approach, you can build a diverse real estate portfolio that generates consistent returns and helps you achieve long-term financial success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on building wealth through property. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.